All right, so now we were just about to slap this in a PowerPoint. The last thing I did, we had just show you that step again. This was our graph. Clicked on it, hold down Control, hit A to select all. Hold down Control, hit C to copy. I have PowerPoint open. I get a blank slide. Now I hold down Control and I hit V to paste. So it'll look like this. First thing you want to do now is right click and hit group. So now you just made it, you grouped everything together so it'll move together. So now see, you can move this and the lines don't get left behind, which is good. So what we want to do now is stretch this out. Oh man, and it got ungrouped. How did that happen? So again, we'll select everything here. Clicking on it, hitting Control A. It seems to be grouped. So we'll expand it, and then we'll just be frustrated that happened, which is okay. And then we will calmly just move our lines so that they fit where we want them to. And now I'm looking at this here. So we'll just make them get them in the right spots first. Sometimes now you look at this in PowerPoint and you say, I wish like some of this isn't working as well, right? So like this label needs to be moved over. This label can be moved over. Thinking, wow, now these labels look fine in Excel, but I want to make them bigger. So maybe I want 12-point font. Super important to do this. You just did all this work creating these graphs. You don't want to get lazy at the end and then have them not be readable. So I'm going to make everything, I'll make my text 14 there. I'll make this 14, that 14. These are the final touches. Oh, and that looks like it didn't resize anything. Yep, and we'll move this around. So as you can see, when you've done these many, many times and you kind of know where the steps are and the buttons are, your graphing is really something that takes quite a while and you do want to be deliberate with. Let's say I want to thicken these up a little bit. I could do that. I can make a number of other changes, like remembering to make this axis bigger too. That would be helpful. What was that, 12? Yep, and then this is 12 too. This is also 12. Forgot to make this big. And darn it, it somehow is gray again. So you're going to make it black. Aha. All right, so here we have our final graph, our finished graph. It's looking pretty good. And yeah, this is kind of the product of our work. So of course we want to then go ahead and save it. We'll just call it final graph. Woohoo. And one more thing that I always like to do is sometimes you use a weird projector, use a different computer, you'll have a different version of PowerPoint, and something will go kind of wonky with your data points. So to help protect against that, what I like to do is create a duplicate that's as a picture. So here's how you do that. You click on the slide, clicking there, hold down Control, hit A to select all. Now copy, Control C, make a new blank slide, hit V, and then this thingy comes up, paste options, and I'm going to select paste as picture. And I don't know why that pops up. What you see there is that, it's essentially the same thing, but now it's all locked solid together, and it's an image. So yeah, that's how to create our graph, and this will be a little more durable across different formats and stuff. Hope this has been helpful.